Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, today I wanted to show you the box that I made for Shamika, who is Meekaboo32 here on YouTube and also on Instagram. This is my first box. I've never made one of these boxes before, so this is my first one. So I did go in and I did do the like the distressed look for this one. I painted it gold underneath and then an antique ivory on the top with the crackle paint. Also, I had this ribbon here that I put along the top of it, and then I did these pearls on this side. Here I have a white feather. I love this feather. I just love feathers in general. And then I had that that piece right there. I've had that forever. I didn't know what to do with it. So what I did is I put a pink crystal inside one of these inside of that. So yeah, I did that, and then all around the bottom is painted. I did pearls right here. All around the bottom is painted gold, and then the ivory again. And then I just did the trimming all around it. So it just goes to the back. But that is it. I painted it. It says "Hello Beautiful" on it. I did a couple of pearls. These are like bronzy color pearls I got from Walmart. And I just love how it turned out. It turned out so pretty. I'm sorry for the light, but my dogs are acting up and I can't open my front door. So inside of it, I didn't paint the inside. This is, you could just see from the outside what it looks like. And in here, I really kind of tried to fill it as much as I could with goodies. I didn't put a lot of this in. I only put a little bit. This one has like a little, because of the theme of being a little bit older, I put in these sequins, which are gold, bronze, and copper, a little bit of silver in there, and I made a little shaker mix kind of. These are a whole bunch of different kinds of buttons. Some are really old buttons, some are wooden buttons, some are pretty thick buttons, and then also I have these little pearls that I put in here from my stash. I love these little flat back pearls. Some are matted and some are shiny. So let me just put this all back. So I just want to make sure I have it back together. And then in this pocket here, this one here, is a lot of little goodies, like little keys, little rosettes that I have here. And then in this pocket here, over here, again, I have lots of antique buttons that I've been saving. I love these buttons that I've been saving and I haven't used. So there's like little bows in here. I gave her some little sunglasses from my stash. I love them. And then over here, I gave her some little cloth bows, and again, some more flat back things that she could use, some hearts. These hearts are pretty too. And then here I gave, this is just all kinds of different clips and paper clips. So this one, I love that gold. Because I tried to use the gold because I painted it gold. Some arrows. I really did try to fill it up. Some brads. This is a paper clip. A wolf, a fox. A wolf, I was going to say. And this is a brad. It's a cupcake brad. Isn't that cute? And then here's some different brads in here that I had in my stash. Like here is a flamingo. So I tried to do that kind of stuff in here, like, you know, paper clips and stuff. And then this one. Then I gave her two little stamps here. Well, these are little flags. They were never used. They were sitting in my stash. So I got them from Target. I gave her some eyelash trim. I love the eyelash trim. Gave her some swatch of my favorite washi tape. I love this washi tape. And then I gave her a whole ribbon. I'm sorry, I gave her a whole ribbon. And I hope you could see the washi tape. I love that washi tape. I don't have any more of it. Wish I would have got more. Then in this compartment here at the bottom is all different blings in here. Like it's just jam-packed with bling. And then here is some paper clip, a paper clip that I made. Here, let me show you. I made this paper clip, and that's that little girl ribbon. I love it. Then this beautiful huge button. I love this button. Then in my stash I found some little stamps, so I gave her some of them. And then just a little bit, like some gold bows, some colored bows, some wooden pieces. So yeah, I just wanted to share with her what I had in my collection. I don't have any punches or anything like that. I didn't do that in this box. But yeah. And here is some wooden flowers, some paper flowers, some resin flowers. So that is pretty much the box that I made for her. I love it. It is really, really nice. So, and here I have some more goodies for her. And this is why it took me so long to get hers, because I got this bag from her and I turned it into a loaded pocket. I mean a loaded bag, loaded pocket. I turned it into a loaded bag because what I did is I cut her out some little things. This is so cute, my little puppy. I made that on the front. He's glued down. But I promised her I would give her some of my little girls that I cut out. So I got a bunch of them and I just put them in here. And then I made her that tag, and you saw the tag in the front. It says little moments big memories. I'll take it out. And she's like, I have her like, she looks like she's laying in the grass surrounded by flowers. So, and that's it. So I made that for her. And I try to use the things that she sent to me. Oh, I'll have to fix that in a minute. But these are the little girls that I made her. I made her a bunch of little girls. Yeah, let me take out this. I'll take this out. And inside here, I even forgot what I put in here. It's just some like little goodies here. I'll show you. And in here, I have this little shabby chic, you know, little charms. It has an owl, a key, a little pearl in there, a little teapot in there. She can use them any way she wants. I know the sticker's still on. I have to take that off. Then I got an extra set of the cactus for her so that she can use that from the Dollar Tree. I had this in my stash. I just wasn't using it. So I wanted to go to somebody that will use it. It says Adventure, Believe. Stay Wild. And it also has this on the back. This little stencil, background stencil she can use. Then I got these. I don't know, somebody sent these to me, and I love owls, but I'm really not using page flags that much, so I wanted to send them to somebody that I know would use them, and she has planners and stuff. So that's in the one little bag. And again, I thought it was really cool to use her own bag and send it back to her. Just redone. These are real crystals on here. I pull up real crystals. And then in this one, this little bag, this bag I got from Marcy, which came in handy because I'm sending it to Shamika, one to Shamika. So, and in here I got this little unicorn that grows. I thought that was really cute. And the decorative tape, I thought that was fun. And then I got her this Believe in Miracles, and it's a little unicorn and it's a magnet. But I sent this and this I sent to both of my my swap partners, and I made them both up goodie bags so that they can enjoy some little goodies. So, but yeah, this is my bag. I'm going to put it all back together. I'm getting ready to bubble wrap it and then get it off into the mail to her. So I hope that she enjoys it, and I hope that she can use the things that are in it. But I packed it pretty good, you know. I don't know what the rules are about packing stuff like this, but I just really wanted to share a lot of my stuff that I haven't been using with others. So that was my whole goal for my swap my swap that I had going on. I have to tell you guys about it, and it's not a fun story, but I will tell you guys all about the swap. And you know, some people were really truly sweet and honest with me, and some people just were not, and it's just a terrible thing. So I hope you enjoyed her embellishment box. I thought it was really pretty. It took me a couple days to make because of the paint and drying and stuff, but it turned out really, really cute. So thank you guys so much. There'll be pictures at the end so you can get an up-close look at it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.